since I can remember, I have seen you in my dreams, and the chance to feel a part of you. I can't tell you, I can't tell you what it means. As a stranger on a journey, you have made me feel at home in the shelter of your tender care. I have never felt alone. America, like so many men before. America, I found all my dreams and more waiting at your door. America, this land of freedom grew. America, I will sing in praise of you and be grateful to America. Other men may take for granted things that thrill me every day. Could your wonders be more clear to me? Coming from so far away, as a stranger